know the ground and I know every city normal. No feud, no reach 23 we beat Jordan.
Yeah. Go on, youth, yeah, go on. Ease yourself, just keep it calm, youth, yeah, star. Only pop pressure in my corner. One time it hard for carry on. You no need no girl for turn to, no man for talk to. Feelings hurt, but the journey so far.
Wagwan Success family, this is O. The gun battle with police and gunmen yesterday downtown Kingston involving the death of 4 men, including a 17-year-old juvenile. Usually, when the police carry out these kind of attacks, you would find residents screaming, "We want justice," you know what I mean? But not this time. No roadblocks, no protests will take place, none of that, because they said they saw this coming. The individuals killed were identified as Daniel Liza Rose, Romaine Bones Lewis, Stephen Rochester, and Garnell Jackson. The police constable assigned to the Kingston West Police Division was injured during the firefight. Now, among the 5 illegal guns I mentioned in my previous video about the situation, 2 M16 high-power rifle were recovered. While making this video, Chronicler's song Empty hits even harder right now because Liza left school when he was 15 and have been firing M16 rifle taller than him. When the badness a go stop?
Can't stop. Badness can't stop.
If you're new to the channel, welcome and make sure to subscribe to get all our latest videos. So yesterday, the confrontation occurred when a police team from Kingston West Division responded to reports of gunmen traveling in a white Toyota ISIS van. According to Superintendent Beres Williams, commander of the Kingston Central Division, the deceased men were part of a criminal gang known as Taliban and were involved in a reprisal attack related to a previous murder last Friday. So, if you dirt my friend, guess what? We're gonna come dirt your back. That the youths them did a pre. Residents said higher power like bigger man in the community tell the youths them do not go and attack, just lock off the guns them, but the youths them never listen and them just go throw away them life. So one resident said they were begging for their life. Then the police asked him, why you no kill people? Now people in the surrounding community have mixed feelings about the situation because some people acknowledge the youth's involvement in criminal activities and the inevitable outcome, which is live by the gun, die by the gun, while others are saddened by the loss of young lives. And I must agree 100% with this one, because while making this video I realize we are failing the youths as adults, we are failing the youths, we are failing the youths as a society, we are failing the youths, we are failing the youths as government, we are failing the youths, we are failing the youths as parents, and those blames need to be taken seriously. We need to take some responsibility for failing the youths, and I'm speaking from experience, or you could say whatever. I'm not get into that. I've seen this situation happen many times before, right? And I've seen similar situations. This situation that happened is not the first, it's not the last. It has been going on for years now. As my mother would say, a common assault. What are we doing wrong? What are we not doing right? Those are the questions that we need to ask ourselves. The incident showcased the long-standing challenge of gang violence in inner city communities. There's a strong need for groundbreaking intervention to disrupt the cycle of violence and root out anything that fuels the destruction of our communities and the youths. I said we are failing our youths because where is the effective strategies, right, to address gang violence in Jamaica? Sometimes we talk until we can't talk anymore, but guess what? We must keep talking for the betterment of the country. But more importantly, the youths who are the future, they are the ones that are affected most out of all of this. Killing teenagers generation after generation does not solve the problem. It does not help. I know the obvious reason. Poverty, lack of opportunities, and social marginalization, right? Because nobody no face barriers like ghetto youth, lack of employment, healthcare, and even political participation. And that is why for years now, ghetto people are the ones being taken for fools and being taken disadvantage of, because they are the most vulnerable. And as so come the politician them come in and just exploit the situation. With no proper infrastructure in place, the youths feel hopeless, and as so come the gang members them come in and just recruit the youths them, right? So while we talk about the need for guns to be off the streets and doing away with criminals, if we don't root out the root cause, then the same problem will just multiply and continue to happen and just grow back and continue to happen. Bear with me for a second. While listening to Kendrick Lamar and Drake rap battle, You know, we call it clash. Kendrick Lamar said to Drake's son, let me be your mentor. And I want to say to the youths, let Øwayne Allen Media be your mentor. We don't kill champion, we build champion, just like what VybzKartel said, right? We can always get change without calling for the destruction of our youths, because I know a lot of channels like Serpi and them channel there, where all them do is calling destructions on the youths and calling destruction, pure destruction them talk about. Them want to see the betterment, but a pure destruction them talk about. Them not talk about attacking the root cause and solving the problem, the systemic leash that has a tight grip on the youths. And don't get me wrong, you know, this incident also shed light on the challenges faced by the police in tackling organized crime and enforcing the law and order in inner cities, right? So residents have to play their part also. I saw a video with 6, you know, the youth with Down syndrome. I saw a video with him learning how to do maths, and it's a good look. I love to see it. Check out the video.
Yeah. 1, 2, 3. Right. Put the number 3 in the box. Oh, 3. Right. Okay. 1, 2. Put the number 2 in that other box. This? Yeah. Yeah. All right. All together now. How many are these all together? Count all of them together and put the number there. Okay, 5. Count them. 5. Right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right. There you go. No, do the other one. Oh, carrot. Carrot, yeah. Those are carrots. Do that one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Right, no, this is not how you do it. Look here. You put the 5 right there. You count that 5 and put it there first. Yes. And then, how many is that? 6. No. 2. Put the 2 right there. No. When you count them all together, 6. When you count them both 1 together, then you put the total there. Count all of them together. 7, this. Count all of them together. Go ahead. Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Right. 7. There you go. Touch me. Alright.
Knowing 6 and seeing all his videos, he's always with girls and more girls and girls on top of girls and girls galore, enjoying himself and just living life as he should. So more power to 6, and all I have to say is just positive things. You see me, so big up 6 boss, and I mean the real general. Yeah man, thanks for the likes, thanks for the subscribe, thanks for the views, thanks for the comments, thanks for the shares. As always, I'm out. And I drop another video like a little more after this, and I mean, I think regarding Bounty Killer, because I see a video with Bounty Killer, and you know, I mean, I got to talk about that video there. So subscribe, make sure you send a subscribe and post notification on for check out the video there.